So today we're gonna test out Katana Parkour. So this is the first time we were there, and there was only us and the owner of the place present. So this place is pretty close to where we live, so we can go there and train some. So I've been doing a lot of parkour outside on the streets, but not inside a parkour gym. But it's really nice. It's good looking and good quality on all the obstacles and training equipment. And you can move soft boxes around if you want to practice something. And I didn't dare to do this one this time, the first time we were there. I wanted to jump over and then hang on the edge. So the third time in the park, Freya was home because she wasn't feeling well. And it's gonna be vertical footage from this time. They were doing some kind of a Ninja Warrior course. But I didn't try it out.
Jag är faktiskt 35 år.
And then I managed to do the thing that I wanted.
Du gjorde det!
And that's all for this video. We'll be back there to train some more, but have a good one till next time.